here is another option. So this one has really nice landscaping, a little carport over here, and garage. A nice front yard. Nice little porch. Oh my gosh. Alright, and this is the first downstairs bedroom. This door goes to a closet, but it also has an entry point from out here. So this is the closet. This is the bathroom. Correction. And then from the front door. So from the front door, you have a living room over here to the right. It's a pretty good space. Then it's opened up to a dining room. And these doors out here take you out to a very nice screened-in porch that overlooks the pergola and the sunroom over there, which we get to. Go back in. Again, living room, dining room, a little alley kitchen. Update some appliances, a little pantry closet, front door. You keep walking, get to the den, and then here's a sunroom. Very nice sunroom. Fireplace in the den. Access to the garage. So we'll go upstairs. That's the door to the basement, which will turn into an apartment. We'll go upstairs. So when you first come upstairs, there's this little linen closet. There's a guest bedroom, or I think this is the primary, given the size. Closet there. This barn door that leads over to the bathroom. You got another closet here. And then you have a bathroom, shower, tub combo, sink, and toilet. So, I think it's an ensuite. Upstairs is an ensuite on the first level. There's a bathroom here with a shower, tub. And then you have bedroom number 2 upstairs, which is good size. And bedroom number 3 upstairs, which is also good size. So that's a total of 2 bedrooms, 2 baths upstairs. So going back downstairs, another thing worth noting, there's a closet here. And then there's another, this is the 4th bedroom, and then the other bath, I think 3rd bath downstairs. Then in the hallway, you go downstairs to the lower level. Down here, you have really good space for, a kitchen, another bathroom, a living room area, bedroom. There's also a really cool storage closet here, so that's good. And then this also has a separate entryway out through here. You know, stairs that go up. This is actually under the deck, but it leads on out to the backyard, which is nicely fenced in. You can kind of see that entryway there, and that's the screened-in porch, sunroom, pergola, carport, all right here. Yeah, nice little outdoor seating area, eating area. Sun skylights in the screened-in porch. All in all, I think this is a really good one.